We love getting and sharing feedback from our satisfied customers. Our goal is to give every customer a 5-star customer service experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. And here's what our customer had to say in our latest online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and client satisfaction. We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.